Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. Today's our topic is and this is for random numbers. How we can calculate, how we can get the random numbers in Excel. Very easy, but again this is one more powerful tool in Excel. As per our training module or training session, first we used to get the information about the today's topic, that is and. So descriptive or description about this, we can get the random numbers in Excel. Simple formula is equals to RAND open bracket close bracket enter. That's it. You'll get the random number. So we'll move for practical, that is equals to R A N D. So R A N D open bracket and the close bracket. So we got 0.28. Then simply drag it down. So I got 92 means 0.92, 0.40, 0.95, 0.89, 0.42, 0.95 and the last one 0.48. So this is random number. Why we required these random numbers? Sometimes if you want to hide or if you want any confidential data, you can use random numbers. For example, here I put the employee number. Let's say employee number 1. So I put 0.92. So no one can understand what is refer for 0.92. If you are wrote employee number 0.92. First of all, I'll do one thing. I'll just copy, then paste special value, so it will not change. 0.59, or simply I'll do like this. So no one can understand what is whose number is 0.59 or whose number is 0.28. No one can recognize this is 0.59 is for employee number 1 or 0.28 is refers to employee number 2. So the confidentiality can be maintained, integrity can be maintained. Same way, if I required for in between random numbers between two numbers, let's say from 10 to 1000 or 10 to 2000, so the formula will be RAND, then between RAND between open bracket. So let's say 10, 1000 in between I required. So this is 17. I'll just drag it down. So I got the number 973 for employee 1, for employee 2 227, employee 3 454, employee 4 858. So this is a random numbers we can generate without any hesitation or without any so let's say this is one more major or powerful formula. But drawback about this formula is if you click anywhere it will get changed. So first of all, once you got your random numbers with RAND formula, or you got the numbers RAND between formula, just simply paste special value, convert it into paste special value. Otherwise continuously it will change your data, your numbers will be changed. So guys, this is a small video but powerful. I hope you understand. If you have any doubt, just mention in the comment. I'll make the video on that topic. Or if you require any more formulas or function on Excel, just let me know through comments. I'll do that. Thank you guys. I hope you liked my video. Till the next video, please take care of yourself. Thank you.